The Pan-African Parliament was established to ensure full participation of Africans in the economic development and integration on the continent. The Parliament is also intended as a platform for people from all African states to be involved in discussions and decision-making on the problems and challenges facing the continent. This particular ordinary session of the Parliament is running under the African Union theme for the year, Acceleration of the African Continental Free Trade Area Implementation.
In its own unique way, PAP sets the agenda for all parliaments in Africa as they pursue a common legislative intervention on issues affecting the continent for seamless action.
The South African government is especially encouraged by the deliberation of the PAP on the implementation of the African Continental Free Trade Area and its specific focus on the significant role that the Pan-African parliamentarians could play in its acceleration.
The African Free Trade Area presents immense opportunities for exponential economic growth through trade and investment on the continent.
When you look at the integration of the African economy, it will make it possible in a record time to attain a level of development which will be very high. ZLECAf will make it possible for us to have a common market, and it will facilitate circulation of persons in order to deepen economic integration in the African continent. And this will be consistent with the African vision of an integrated Africa, which is prosperous and peaceful, which will be led by its own citizens and would represent a dynamic force in the international sphere.
The Pan-African Parliament will also deliberate on driving sustainable climate change on the continent. Yudisa Njamela for CGTN in Midrand, South Africa.